In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ventilate a center part wig. After cutting out your extension, you wrap it around your finger just the way I'm doing in this video. This is to secure it firmly for you to pick out the hair when you're ventilating. I love my ventilation to look as natural as possible, so I only use 1 or 2 strands of hair per hole. 1 or 2 strands of hair. So for this area, I either pick out 1 or 2 strands of hair and nothing more than that. If you want that very natural feel, please don't pick more than 1 or 2 strands of hair. So locate one hole in the hairnet, pass your pin through it. While your pin is facing upwards, place your extension on it. Pick 1 or 2 strands of hair, turn to the side to pull out safely and knot. Locate one hole in the hairnet, place your extension on it. Pick 1 or 2 strands of hair, turn to the side to pull out and knot. So I zoomed this place very much so you can see everything that is going on in the net. I zoomed it so closely so you see everything that is going on. Locate one hole in the hairnet, place your extension on it, pick 1 or 2 strands of hair, turn to the side to pull out safely and knot. Locate one hole, just one hole in the net. You can see it. That's the reason why I magnified this, so you'll be able to see everything going on. So the pattern to ventilate this hair, especially when you get to the center part, is different. So if you want to know how to do this for you to get a straight line, then you should continue watching this video to see the little trick in getting this hair looking perfect, just like a machine ventilated hair. So guys, if you have any question to ask, please put this in the comment section and I'll be here to respond to every one of you. If you're just stumbling on my YouTube channel, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Gifts Uchechi, and on this channel we do everything hair and makeup. Please click that subscribe button to be a part of this amazing community. Like this video, share to your friends and your family, and to my returning viewers, I just want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. If you have any questions to ask or you just want to leave a nice comment, please feel free to do that in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. So now we've gotten to the front. You will notice that I used pencil to rule this thing before I started. That's because I wanted to get the exact measurement of the center. I don't want to miss it. So I will follow that pencil mark right now to start ventilating. So guys, in this front part, please, you're taking just 1 strand of hair. Just 1 strand of hair per hole. and you have to ventilate each of them very closely to each other. So depending on what you're ventilating for, I'm going to be using this for a braided wig, so I'm ventilating everything as tight as possible. But if you're doing this for your weave on, you can leave one space after the other, like in the net. You can leave one space after the other to feel more natural. But if you want it as full as mine is looking, then go ahead and just do this my pattern exactly. So now we are done with that first straight line. You just go ahead and use your comb to just take it to the other part so you can ventilate behind it. So the next thing we'll do is to ventilate also the line that is very close to the last one you ventilated, just the line behind it, exactly behind it. So you still do the same pattern of one strand of hair per hole, one strand of hair per hole. So guys, when you're done, you just use your comb to comb it and open the center part with your comb. Just reveal the center part and see the work you have done. So guys, we've gotten to the end of this hair ventilation, and let's just see the review of this hair. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that subscribe button if you're yet to do so. Like this video, share to your friends and your family, and I want to hear your thoughts about this hair. We'll be trying it out. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.